How could I just do that? Just forget the horrible things I've done. How could I just forget? But there wasn't any other choice. I had to do it. I had to stop it once and for all. I had to stop it. And destroy everyone else with it. I did the right thing in the end. But gotta keep on moving. I think I should change the desktop, don't you, old girl? But first, I need to learn how to be the Doctor again. Titanic, here we come. Fantastic.